Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the antutu benchmark score between the Realme X7 Pro versus the POCO X3 device. So I know friends, this is not the fair comparison, but recently most of my subscribers are from the POCO X3 device. So that's why I thought of doing this kind of antutu benchmark comparison with the Realme X7 Pro versus the POCO X3 device. And the POCO X3 has a Snapdragon 732G processor, and whereas the Realme X7 Pro, which has a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 processor. So let me try to show you the exactly processor name. As you can see, friends, Dimensity 1000 plus processor with a 8 GB RAM variant. And let's see, friends, what is the difference will it be there from the premium end segment mobile phone to the mid-range segment mobile phone. And the cost of the Realme X7 Pro is about exactly the twice the price of the POCO X3 device. So will there be any twice the performance in the Realme X7 Pro or not? So let's see in this antutu benchmark test comparison. And in case if you want to know what live wallpapers I'm using right now, so try to check the links in description. You can find so many interesting live wallpapers which I reviewed in my channel. And it is a score which I've taken a screenshot of the antutu benchmark score in both the mobile phones, in the POCO X3 and in the Realme X7 Pro as well. And finally the scores, you can see friends, 2,72,000 versus the 5,29,000. So as I said, exactly the performance is kind of close to twice the performance of the POCO X3 mobile phone. It's kind of close to twice. And let's see the CPU usage and performance as well. How much difference will it be there? So in terms of the CPU performance, there is not much difference because 1 lakh versus the 1,60,000. So only 60,000 score is different. But in the GPU, so if you take a look at the GPU, you can see 77,000 versus 1,99,000, that is close to 2 lakhs. So you're getting twice the performance in terms of the GPU. So there is a lot of improvement in the GPU usage, as you can see clearly, friends. So these are overall side-by-side comparisons in terms of the CPU and GPU between both of the smartphones. So this will give you a clear idea what the Realme X7 Pro is and where the POCO X3 from the mid-range segment mobile phone, where this mobile is in that kind of range as well. So for more interesting and comparison videos, make sure to follow me regularly. So next day I'll be trying to do the display comparison between both the smartphones, because both phones, they do have the similar kind of display properties. For example, like 120 Hz refresh rate, which is present in both smartphones, but Super AMOLED versus the IPS LCD panel. So I'll try to do the display comparison between both of the smartphones, so you'll get to know more details about the display in the future. And thank you for watching this video till now, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thank you. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.